match, we will try to give our best. And we win at home because we play in front of our fans. Sleven is a good team. They changed the coach. I saw some preparation that they have. They have good organized team. Maybe this change of coach will be for them positive shock, so it will be more difficult for us. But as I said, we playing at home, and here at home we must be favorite. Doesn't matter who we're playing, so we'll try to go out and give our best.
Besok ada pertandingan yang dinantikan. Lama kita selama 2 bulan bersama dengan pemain baru dan pemain lama, tidak pernah bermain di sini di depan puluhan ribu penonton supporter kita, dan besok kita akan memberikan yang terbaik untuk meraih kemenangan perdana di Liga. Dan semua instruksi dari pelatih kita akan menampilkan di lapangan dengan kompak dan kerja keras untuk meraih hasil maksimal 3 poin pertama di pertandingan perdana. Terima kasih.
Saya Adrian dari Indosport. Ada 2 pertanyaan. Yang pertama, Coach, kan selama pramusim ini sebelum laga lawan PSM sudah lewat 7 laga, dan dari 7 laga itu baru 1 kali clean sheet, Coach. Apakah untuk laga besok ada rencana dari Coach untuk memainkan kiper lain selain Miswar? Kemudian pertanyaan kedua, tanggapan Coach soal penyerang PSS Sleman, Yevhen Bokashvili, yang musim lalu masuk ke daftar 5 besar top skor dan juga musim lalu juga nyekor di sini.
In any game we will try to win, in any game we will try to score as many goals as we can, and in any game we will try to have clean sheet. We are working on any of the mistakes so far, but lots of mistakes were actually individual before in these 7 matches that you mentioned. So I think that in almost, except maybe 1 game, in almost all, that we create more chances than our opponent. This is for me important. Slowly every training I think that we're improving defending, and definitely we are looking for the clean sheets. We are looking to be much better than last year. And regarding Sleman striker, yeah, he's a good finisher, but he depends on the service. So we will try to go as a team, try to stop service to him, then for him will be difficult to score goal. And that thing is, I'm not really pressure what's happened last year and years before, because for me I'm always looking for the future. From the past, you can have coffee and talk about past, but you don't live from that. You're living only from the next matches.
Ya, Andis dari Goal.com. Pertama saya ingin bertanya ke Coach soal ini untuk pertama kalinya PSM bisa memainkan full team. Misalnya Esra yang sebelumnya tidak bisa main di AFC, dan juga Luin dan beberapa pemain lain. Bagaimana sih tanggapan Coach soal melihat bisa memainkan seluruh pemain absen di laga AFC? Kemudian untuk Bang Ferdinand, karena di Piala AFC Bang Ferdinand bisa on fire, bisa cetak gol. Kemudian ini akan duel dengan mantan rekan setimnya Aaron Evans di lini belakang. Bagaimana sih tanggapannya soal Bang Ferdinand sendiri? Terima kasih.
I mentioned before that we are going match by match because we have matches every 4 or 5 days, so I need to use more than 11 players. I need to have 16 to 20 players. So every game, maybe some of the players will have some problem. They'll be either small injury or some of them will be too tired after 3-4 matches. So whatever I can see on training regarding that, I will rotate the team. For tomorrow, Rashid and Irshad Maulana cannot play. So the rest are ready, so I will choose my best 11 tomorrow.
Ya, untuk saya setiap pemain yang dibilang on fire adalah dia pemain yang selalu diberikan kepercayaan menit bermain, dan di dalam menit bermain yang diberikan kepercayaan oleh pelatih dan memberikan feedbacknya kepada pelatih untuk memberikan yang terbaik dalam setiap pertandingan. Dan itu juga semuanya berkat saling percaya antar pemain, sehingga bisa bekerja sama dan kompak di dalam tim, sehingga kita bisa memberikan yang terbaik setiap pertandingan ke pertandingan lain. Dan saya bersama Aaron itu teman baik, tetapi sekarang dia sudah berbeda bendera. Makanya saya di dalam lapangan saya harus memberikan yang lebih baik daripada dia memberikan yang lebih baik untuk timnya, supaya siapa yang lebih baik di dalam lapangan, dan siapkan mental untuk ketemu sama Aaron. Terima kasih.
one more thing to tell you. Everybody asking me why Ferdinand was on the bench last match. Nobody knows that 3 days before he had high fever, he didn't train. Basically, only one training before game he did properly. But I don't want to go out and talk publicly or he's sick. This one is my opponent doesn't need to know. So for him, 15-20 minutes even enough.